In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how you can increase your calculation speed and save time in your exams. So let me start off with few examples. The squaring of numbers whose unit digit is 5. Let's take an example. 35 square. So what is 35 square? Right? Here we go. So first we're going to multiply the unit digits, that is 5 into 5, that is 25. Alright, and then we're going to add 1 to this 3 over here, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So we're going to put 12 as it is over here. So it is 1225. This is your answer. Alright. Hi, I am Dhruva and I am a passionate Vedic maths teacher, and I am conducting an online multiplication workshop in which I will be teaching you all the multiplication tricks that will increase your calculation speed and accuracy at the same time. And of course, these tricks will give you an extra edge over your competitors. And all of these things at a price less than the cost of a pizza. So, what are you waiting for? Register for this multiplication workshop and I can't wait to see you there.